Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the drain hose cap in this LG refrigerator, you will need a 1/2-inch wrench, zip ties, diagonal cutting pliers, and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a No. 2 Phillips bit. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Shut the water off to the appliance. Give yourself access to the back side of the fridge. Use the wrench to loosen and remove the main water line. Unscrew the 5 Phillips head screws on the bottom panel and remove it. Take the pliers and cut the zip tie securing the drain pipe, then pull out the pipe. Remove the drain hose cap from the pipe. To install the new drain cap, attach the cap to the end of the drain pipe. Insert the pipe onto the drain outlet and secure it with zip ties. Place the bottom panel and secure with the 5 screws. Fasten the main water line to the inlet valve. Turn the water back on to the appliance. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.